Transform your Zillow 3D tour instantly by mastering how to update their showcase covers. First, log into your Zillow Premier Agent account. This is your central hub for managing all your property listings. From your Premier Agent dashboard, locate the specific property listing you wish to modify. You'll see a clear list of all your active properties. Once you've found the property, click on the option to edit listing or manage listing to access its detailed management page. Within the listing editor, navigate to the section specifically designated for 3D Home or Virtual Tour. This is where your 3D tour is managed. Here, you'll see your existing 3D tour. Look for the option to edit tour or change cover image. Zillow allows you to select a new cover directly from a frame within your existing 3D tour. Scroll through the available frames from your 3D tour and select the one that best represents your property and captures the most attention. Once you've chosen your desired new cover, confirm your selection. The system will usually provide a save or update button to apply the changes immediately. Your Zillow 3D tour cover is now updated, giving your listing a fresh, engaging look for potential buyers. A compelling cover can significantly increase viewer engagement. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow agents, and subscribe for more essential real estate tech tips.